Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in today's video, I will quickly show you on how to adjust and master zoom level of your project file in the project preview panel in the timeline right here in your Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the project preview panel right here, right click on it, and then you have zoom level right here. So go ahead and navigate to zoom level. So once you get to zoom level, you have different options right here. You can decide to zoom to 25%. Then you have the preview right here, just like what you see right here. So however, you can also click on this icon right here and then go to zoom level right here. Then from here, you can adjust to zoom to 50% right here. Then this will give you more preview about a certain area you are looking at in your project file right here. Then you can drag and check out some of the area you are looking at on the project right here. So you can right click again and go back to zoom level. Then you can return back to zoom fit right here. Then you can rearrange and adjust your clip, and then right click again and go ahead and click on zoom level. You can set a custom zoom right here. Zoom level right here. You can go ahead . Then you can go ahead this time around, you can check on the 75 zoom right here. Then you have more details about the quality of the project in the preview, most especially if you are working on the project files on the screen and the lights and the color. You can go back to zoom level right there, return to 50%, and then check on the quality of the skin of the character in the video. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.